Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I apply my lace front wig, and this lace front wig is from perfectlace.com. Everything about this wig will be in the description box, so be sure to check that out. So if you guys want to see how I apply my lace front wigs, please stay tuned. So first off, I want to show you guys the hair I will be using today, and this is from the perfectlacewig.com. It came with a wig cap that I will be using today. So first I'm going to put on my wig cap. Actually, it came with two wig caps, so that's really great. And I do have my hair 2-strand twist all the way back because I cannot do cornrows to save my life. So I'm just going to stuff my hair right in the wig cap, like so. So today I have a lace front wig, and this is a bob wig. I will put all the links for the wig in the description bar, so be sure to check it out. And this is in the color medium brown, and this is a 12-inch wig. Now, like I said before, this is a bob wig. Alright guys, so once you see the wig, you do have 2 clips on the side. You also have a clip at the bottom, 2 adjustable straps on the side, and 1 more comb right here. So in a total you have 4 combs and 2 adjustable straps in the back. I'm just going to wear it as is because it looks pretty much just put on and wear. It does have baby hair, so yeah. Also, it does come with 2 extra combs, and you do get a strap in case you want to make it tighter. Alright guys, so I'm going to put the wig on really quick. So now I'm just going to clip some of the hair out of the way so I can go ahead and start cutting the lace off of the front of it. That way you don't make a mistake and clip off the actual hair on the wig. And I'm just going to cut it in sections just to make sure that I can cut it a little bit easier. My Gorilla Snot for this wig. I'm gonna pull the wig back a little bit and then just apply some Gorilla Snot right here. Now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and I'm gonna use this on the cool setting, and I'm gonna blow it out until it's tacky. Alright guys, once you feel that it's good and tacky, you can just start pulling your wig on it. Going to start styling my wig, so I will probably just bump it under and push this down a little bit. Take some of my concealer and put that right in the center of my part, just a little bit. this wig again from perfectlacewigs.com, so be sure to check them out. And I want to send them a huge thank you for sending me this hair. I absolutely love it. I think it's a fun wig, and I think it's great for the summertime too. I will say about the hair quality, I really like the hair quality. It's nice, it's silky, you guys, and it feels so good, and it's really easy to style, so I really like that. And I've never had a bob before, so this is very, very cute. I love this wig, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out perfectlacewigs.com, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.